Hello guys. So this is our link marketplace where we present all the integrations to the merchants. So let's demo the Lightspeed code for QuickBooks Online integration. So let's start the workflow. This is the authentication screen where we present user with all the accounts that he needs to authenticate. So same will apply for K series and L series as well. But for now we have shown R series and QuickBooks Online. So let's connect. Okay, R series is being connected. In the background, there will be a window that will get popped up. This is not getting shown because of the sharing, I guess, but in the background, we are authenticating this. QuickBooks Online, so is being authenticated. All right, so both the accounts are created now. Let's move to the mapping section. Okay, so this is where we will give all the configurations to merchant. Basically, aggregation type, the way they want the sync to work, accounts, income account, expense account, etc. All of the options will be given to the merchant. So here we present four type of options for aggregation. One is no aggregation, where individual sales will be synced with all the products present inside them. Next is group by product. Group by product is where we aggregate all the sales on the basis of product. So, and this will happen in between register open and register closure time. So if they open at 8 a.m. and close during, let's say 8 p.m., all the sales in between this 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. will be aggregated on the basis of product ID, and will be synced as one sale. Same applies for product type as well, but instead of products, there will be product types as line items in the sales. The last one is group by register, where basically only one single line item will be there, that is the register itself, and it will show all the discounts, taxes, and all the other that applicable amounts in a single sale. These are the four types of aggregations that we currently support. We also have a sync type, where merchant can decide if they want to automatically sync all the data or maybe preview the data before syncing. That's called manual sync. So either of them he can choose. All of these values are like readily changeable at any point of the integration. So yeah, this is mappings, where we select different accounts for each of the types. Like for example, this is income and ledger account for returns. Next, we go to the payment method mapping. Basically, where should we post all the payments that we receive via these payment mappings are selected here. So yeah. Okay. Third is the account mapping, where discounts, shipping, other fees, all of these accounts, where do they need to go? This will be selected here in this last one. Okay. So once this configuration is done, we can press create integration. Okay. So meanwhile, the integration is getting created. Let us show the sales. So this is QBO account. It doesn't have any new sales page of our integrations. We will show all the integrations that we have created. Yeah, currently no data is available for sync. It is being fetched from R series. So it happens in the background. Let's switch back to R series as well. Yeah. So there are no sales present. Let's open the register. Okay, let me show you the inventory that we have in this. Okay, product 1 and product 2 with prices. Okay, and category is assigned category 1. Okay, next we can actually create some sales. Okay, this is total of $866. Let's create this. This is a fully paid sale. Okay. Next is where let's create one more normal sale. Okay, this is of 324. Okay, let's now create a sale with some discounts. Okay. A total of $100 discount has been applied on this sale. Let's read this as well. Okay. The register was already opened. Now let's close the register. Okay. So the total amount is 2,165. Let's close the register and submit counts. Okay. All right. Now let's move to the marketplace. Okay. So it will take some time to get the data from our series and present it here. We are also working on resync or force sync option here, where we automatically fetch all the entities at that very time and present it for sync. That is being worked on. We can also edit the integration at any point, like we can change the aggregation type, sync type, or any accounts at any point of the time in during the integration. So yeah. Okay, so the sale is already here. We can see what all the total amount, the 2,165, same that R series has shown, is here. Total tax applied is also here. The discount of $100 that we applied is also here. So this will be synced as single sale to the QuickBooks. So yeah, this is, let's schedule this. Currently we are calling this schedule because it is lined up for sync into QBO. It will take some time. So we can, anyways, like we can change it at any point of the time. Yeah. One more thing that I wanted to show is the errors section inside Marketplace, where we can see any error logs. Most of the time there will be merchant errors like some mapping issue or permission issue. Those can be retried at any point of time from this error log section. Retry all is also present at the top. So yeah, let's move to sales of QuickBooks. All right, so this is here. The ID that we are showing, the S1 followed by this ID, is basically sale for register 1 during this timestamp. This is the unique identifier that we give for a sale. So the default customer is assigned as account receivable is anyways getting handled in Gulf side. Okay, let's view the sale to see the line items. Okay, so basically this product 1 and product 2 have been multiple times repeated across sales, but you can see that the product is repeated only once in this aggregated sale because we chose aggregate by product in the aggregation mode. So yeah, but the account, the rates will be multiplied so that it ensures the totals will remain same. This is one thing to note. So the discounts and taxes will go under this LS Gulf discount charges and LS Gulf tax charges with those corresponding accounts that we mapped in the beginning of mappings that can be edited at any point of the time again. So yeah, this is how the sale receipt looks like once we sync the data. Let's also show one product type based aggregation, maybe with the same products. So we have chosen group by product type now. That is basically category inside R series, right? Okay, let's open the register again. Okay, we have opened the register. Let's go to categories. Basically, we have only one category for both the products in this R series account. You can have any number of categories and products. Now let's go to sales and create the same flow that we did for the individual sections. Let's create 2 normal sales, 1 discounted and then unpaid. All right. Now we can close this register that we opened. Same 2,165 now as well, but the mode itself is different now. We have choose group by product type. Okay, so the register is also closed. Okay, now let's wait for some time to the sync to show, the sale to show. Meanwhile, I wanted to show some other things in QuickBooks as well. So the products that we create, right, the accounts. So let's go to one of these products. Let's say let's go to Lightspeed discount charges. Let's edit this. Yeah. So I wanted to show the accounts that got mapped here, basically in the expense account section, the bottom, the automobile one, right? So this is what we have selected in the mappings, basically for discount category. So that's something that I wanted to show. Income account is again the same one that we selected in the mappings. These are the accounts that gets, the account movements will be posted to these accounts. Let's also see the Lightspeed fees. Yeah, commission and fees is selected for this as well. So, yeah. All right, let's open the marketplace now. Okay, all right. Same is already there now, 2,165 total amount, discount of 100. Same, this timestamp differs, but this is a sale for single register, so that doesn't differ. Let's schedule this. Okay. Let's wait for the sync to come up. Okay, so the category level sale has also been synced. So open this. Okay, so this is the category level one where we are showing the individual category. So as we have only one category, we are shown 2,100, and also the taxes and discounts are again basically written as a separate items. So this is group by category. We also have retry mechanisms in place for duplicate entities, because QBO does not allow when duplications occur inside QBO. For example, same product, if two products have same name, a one or two will be appended, a number basically to represent the uniqueness. So that is also there, and retries for QBO level errors like 500s or any other are also in place. Let's also look at the group by register now. So go into edit, we select group by register, and we can save the changes. So once the changes are saved, now all the sales will be synced on the basis of register. So all products, all categories will be grouped into single line item that will be the name under the name of register itself, and all of them will be created with that register name line item. All right, let's close the register. Okay, so total is 4,892.9 with discounts and taxes applied. So again, so for example, this all is paid by cash. We can also choose other line items or individual payments. Basically, those payments will be added as a separate line item in the sale. So for each individual, for example, cash will be saved as LSR cash or Lightspeed R cash, debit cash, etc., etc. So those are separate line items that get synced to QBO. Let's close this. Okay. Okay. Let's wait for it to get here. Let's reload once again. Okay. All right. So 474892.9 has been received. Okay. The total discount is also according to what we have did. Schedule this. Okay, let's move to the sales overview. Okay, so this is also here. Let's open this. So as you can see, the line item here is register one, basically the register name, which the sales have been done. So the total amount, as we've seen in the register of our series as well, is 4,892.9. So yeah, it has been completely received. This is how we sync sales on different modes. So yeah, all right, thank you.